Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp business chats to WhatsApp. On iPhone, make sure your sign into iCloud and iCloud Drive is turned on. On Android, make sure your Google account is connected for backup. Wait for the backup to finish. This is very important because your chat will transfer only from this backup. First, open WhatsApp business. Tap to settings. Scroll down. Tap on chat backup. Now tap to backup now. Once backup is complete, delete the WhatsApp business app from your phone. Don't worry, your chat are safe because you just back up them. Reinstall WhatsApp. Go to App Store and download normal WhatsApp Messenger app. Then open the app, enter your phone number and verify it with the OTP. After verification, WhatsApp will automatically detect your WhatsApp business chat. Tap to restore. Wait until the process is complete. All your chat, photos and group will now appear in the regular WhatsApp. Set your name, profile photo and you are done. Your WhatsApp business chats are successfully moved to regular WhatsApp. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in next one.